Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need the right Apple ID and iCloud Notes enabled. Start now. On your iPhone or iPad, open Notes, tap Folders and choose Recently Deleted. If you're on a Mac, open Notes and look for Recently Deleted in the sidebar on iCloud. Open Notes after signing in. Once done, select the note you want, then tap Move or Recover. Make sure you're within the 30-day window because deleted notes auto-remove after that period. After retrieving from recently deleted, check synced devices before they overwrite data. On iPhone, tap Edit to select multiple notes, then move to a folder in iCloud or on My iPhone. On Mac, Shift-click or Command-click to select several notes and drag them to an active folder. If your notes use Gmail, Yahoo, or another account, open that account's notes folder because some content may live there. Once recovered, allow iCloud a few minutes. Finish by confirming the recovered note appears on all devices. If not, force a sync by toggling iCloud Notes off and on or signing out and back into iCloud. Be careful with sign out as it may remove local data. If recently deleted is empty, restore your device from an iCloud or iTunes backup that predates deletion, then re-enable Notes. If you still can't find the note, contact Apple support with your Apple ID and approximate deletion time so they can investigate server-side issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.